You know, we have a business, family business, and everybody that works here, we consider our family. They might not have the same last name as me, but they are our family. And so that's just as much about the people as it is about the soil and the animals. We do this every day for us, for the community, and for everybody that's going to the grocery store that needs to eat, needs to drink milk, and needs to be healthy every day.